I wonder what this is.
You do, I know what they are.
Is this like an earring or something? I don't get it.
Well, I know what it is. It's a paper clip.
It's a paper machine. It's a machine
For paper.
Exactly.
I guess that makes sense.
Calm, you retarded. People out there are retarded. Well, not retarded. How would I say
Do
that?
we have to have this talk here again, just like Mrs. Molly I talked with Jordan about this? That was funny though.
Had to write a paper to Mr. Horton, and Jordan's like, "Why, Mr. Horton?"
Just because he said the word retarded. Like, that's not even what he meant though.
He meant to say, like, that is retarded. He didn't mean to say, "You're
retarded." He meant to say that is retarded, and then this one.
No offense to any people out there.
Yeah, my cousin had Down syndrome. Not my cousin, my nephew had Down syndrome. So. That's what they were talking about. She got into this whole conversation with Down syndrome.
How? How do you get that?
Because Down syndrome has something to do with being retarded. And, well, you're not retarded. It just means that you're slow at thinking.
I've got
No, that's when you go to an asylum. And then you die, and then you go in there.
What? You die?
No, okay. So like there's
They kill you?
No, there's this one movie called Grave Encounters, and they were, what was it? And they went in there to see like what's going on in there, and like what happened in there and everything. And
why are we doing this during the video?
And then a guy comes out of the tub, and then a guy comes out of the tub. He grabs him. It's a girl that killed herself in that tub, and it's filled with blood. She comes out. And this is a true story. Comes out of the tub, grabs him, and goes back in. He took the tub over, that's full of blood, nothing's in there. And this is all called on tape. Nobody lived. People had to go in there, and then they found.
Are you sure it wasn't Exorcist?
No, I want to see that though.
Exorcist is scary, man.
Did you see it?
Yes, we have it. No.
I'm sure being legit for a second.
No, we do. We do have it.
No, you don't.
Yeah, we do. You want to see it? Okay, bye.